little bit sunburnt. So today we're moving on, going up towards Harlech, a waterfall campsite. I can't remember what it's called. We're just about to get ready to go.
Adam, can you just...
So Dale has prepared...
I think it's a very good list.
A preparing to move checklist.
So make sure the windows and vents are closed. Well, actually, I'm glad I just said that because I just realised that the roof vent is still open a bit.
Close and secure cupboard doors.
That's all done, check.
Secure loose items.
Check.
Put away awning in store.
Check.
Ensure fridge is set to 12 volts.
Not yet, but will in a moment.
Store table securely.
Check.
Turn seats back around.
We didn't do that, but check.
Take off and store windscreen cover.
Check.
Open all curtains.
Check.
Turn off gas.
Done.
Turn off 240 volt supply source.
Doing that next.
Disconnect cable and store.
Doing that next.
Turn off TV.
Done. Check.
Remove and install levelers.
We didn't use them, so check.
Make sure all litter is cleared away.
Check.
Empty and store grey waste container.
Check.
Empty chemical toilet and replace chemicals.
Didn't use this, so check.
Empty water from fan.
Check.
Also didn't use it.
Good morning again, guys. So, we are leaving the campsite now, here on coast. We are going to go into the town, which is about 5 minutes down that way. Apparently there's a bakery that sells delicious baked goods. Adam? Delicious baked goods, apparently. So we're going to get some delicious baked goods, and then we're going to head to a place called Little Italy. Or should we do that a different day?
No, we have to do that today, it's on the way.
Okay. Yeah, so we're going to this little place called Little Italy or something. Only recently discovered. So we're going to go there, get some snacks, delicious baked goods.
Stop off in Barmouth on the way.
Barmouth. Circus of Barmouth. Circus of Barmouth. Barmy Circus.
Circus of Barmouth.
Barmy Circus. Barmy Circus.
Barmy.
So yeah, we're going to get some fish and chips because amazing, the mermaid. We went to before and it's stunning. So we will see you en route. So guys, we're back in the van.
We're back in the van.
We walked into Rhaeadr. We did take the camera, but we didn't vlog anything. We had a pasty from Pop Tea, I think it was, and it was delicious. I had a corned beef, Adam had a cheese and onion, and they were both very delicious. Oh, and sausage roll.
And Husky went and Leo had sausage roll.
They did. I've had better sausage rolls, I'll be honest.
Oh, I really liked it.
From a well-known bakery chain beginning with G. But it was delicious, nonetheless. So we are on the way to that Little Italy place we were talking about this morning. So we're gonna see you when we get there. So guys, we have come up these little roads.
Too tiny.
That one is really tight. But we should have come up this one, but it was blocked off because they were doing some work to the bottom. So we've come up the hill, and we are supposed to try to drive up there, but the road's closed. So we've parked what we believe is this little church car park. We're only going to be about half hour if anyway, so yeah. And there's plenty of room for the cars if people do need to get in there.
Pretty it is with the cliff and everything.
And that's the view at the moment. So we're going to go up there and see Little Italy.
So we've just been walking up this hill, and I think it's the start of them here. So you've got all these different brickworks. And you can't, I don't know if you'll see properly, but you've got these right there. So we're going to keep going up and see what else we can see. So there's more in this house here, but I don't know if you can actually get a bit further in to see them. Because that's very well detailed there, I don't know if you'll see it.
Oh wow.
Ooh, there's this as well. Is that St. Paul's Basilica? The arch thing we were just looking at. It seems to mostly be in this house's garden. I don't know if you can actually go in or not though. So there's loads more here on the hill. The detail. The thing is though, there's like pottery inside this. I don't know how old that is. Look at that. Look at this. Everywhere you look there's something new, like look at under there. Let's have a little look round. Trees. Did you enjoy your trip? A mannequin. That's like a little balcony. This place is amazing. Unfortunately, most of it's private property, so I was a little bit naughty and went up anyway. There's no sign that side, but definitely worth it. Oh, we have a model in our midst. Coming spring season 2023. But also the views are absolutely stunning. It's well worth it. There is a bit of a hill here, but it's not that far, to be honest with you. But how unusual, like I want to know more of the history. And it's so cleverly done, like look at that, it's unreal. Really lush. I'm so glad I came. I've known about it for years, but never actually came. But yeah, you're not allowed beyond these areas because of the private property, but you know, sorry, not sorry.
Welcome to Barmouth. Circus of Barmouth, Circus of Barmouth, Barmy Circus.
Circus of Barmouth, Barmy Circus, Barmy Circus, Barmy Barmouth. Opposite the little car park.
Can you spot where Adam used to live?
If you're an eagle-eyed viewer, you would have known from a previous vlog. I used to live here in Sunnybank. So we're all set up at Nantcol Waterfall Camping. The sun is glorious. I don't know if you'll be able to see the reception buildings right there. There's some like teepee things you can hire. And then the facilities are over there. And we are camped right here. So the camp itself is here. There's another field over there. And the river runs along that way. There's walks all up these hills and then back down again. And then we have the facilities here. Lady shower. Gent showers. So here you have to pay 50p for 5 minutes. But you have to use a card. So you slot your card in there. Not your bank card, the card you buy from reception. Then that gives you your shower in time. So I can't show you the power right now. Ladies' washroom. Gents' washroom. How bizarre. Isn't a sink a sink? You have to have your own hand washing. Very clean. Smells lovely in here. I haven't found the bogs though. Here's the dishwashing facility. Oh, there's a laundrette. So the laundrette washing machine is £3 for a 40-minute cycle. And it's £1 for every 20 minutes on the tumble dryer. Very clean as again. Then we got the men's toilet. Very nice. What else is here? I don't know if there's anything else. So there's the ladies' toilets, exactly the same as the men's, minus the urinals. And there's a family and disability toilet. Oh, it's huge. That's a good idea. It smells lovely. And you have your chemical waste. And there's a water point. There's water points closer. These are lovely facilities. And a beautiful campsite. So the facilities, sorry about my sunburn, are lovely. Only thing is, the hand dryers only last for 5 seconds, not even that, so there's nowhere near enough time to wash your hands, which is a bit of a ball ache really. There's Bluebell, who's white, and there's Mavanri, and I can see some smoke signals, So Dale's either smoking signals for help, or he's been able to light the fire. What's happening, Archibald?
Morning campers, and welcome to our first, well, second technical day at Rhaeadr Nantcol Waterfalls. Abigail is cooking some sandwiches.
Some toasted sandwiches.
Adam's enjoying the sunshine. Pumpkin's enjoying the sunshine. I think Luke is taking a dump. And Archibald is down there next to the non-existent fire. So we've just cooked up some spam for spamwages with cheese. Spamwages. And then Abby's going to put together the spamwages in her, like, it looks like a ridge monkey type majiggy for toasted goodness. It does actually look like a ridge monkey, yeah. So we're going to have some breakfast. So this morning, guys, we're going on a little walk. Right in the distance you can see Mavani. I just want to show you how pretty this place is. I mean, we haven't even got far yet, but it's apparently so beautiful. I think it's about a half-hour loop. So let's go and have a look what we got. We've got some people down by there now, enjoying the little river, lake. And let's go up this way. So there's a little stream here. It's Adam and Husky, Wayne and Lee United. So the stream is running the wrong way. It should be going that way. We found all these tadpoles. There's loads of them.
All like that.
Wow. I just want to say that this is super beautiful. And this is literally like 2-3 hours from where we live. You know, it is just absolutely stunning.
So we vacated our parking spaces, which were just behind this bush, and we're now in the car park because we checked out at 5. Oh, little fishies in there. Sorry, we checked out at 12, but because there's so many walks here and stuff, and we haven't showered yet, we're in the main car park. It's usually £5 for a van, but because we stayed, they said it's fine, so we don't need to pay for it. Abby and Luke are gonna go for a little swim, and I'm not going to because I don't like cold water on my back. Abby's in already, get in the sun.
Once you're in, Dale, it takes a few seconds, but it does.
No, I reached out to Abby for help. You're making it harder on yourself. I know, that's why I didn't do it. Look at Abby. You've done it, just stay there.
Oh, that's nice. Cold water therapy. Oh, this is like this. Oh.
I've seen prettier turds. I've seen prettier turds floating down the river. I think it's salmon that's. I think it's salmon that swim upriver. So instead of walking across the rocks again and risking falling in, I decided to follow the path on the other side, but it seems to be like taking me way out of the way. Now I don't know whether to go back or to commit to the way I'm going. I might commit because it's pretty. Well, they looked like they had fun, didn't they? So we're literally going to have showers now. I've already shown you the facilities. So I'll end the vlog here and we'll start the next one well, the next video, which is still today, but we're going to be on our way to Anglesey up in the north of Wales. So this was Nantcol Riverside Camping. Hope you enjoyed it and we'll see you in the next one.